We're constantly bombarded with advertisements for products claiming to give us healthy, glowing skin. The skincare market is a multi-billion-dollar industry. But what those advertisements won't tell you is that the foods you eat impact your skin more than all of the cleansers or creams you can slather all over your skin. Before you go spending ridiculous amounts of money on questionable anti-aging products that claim to be the holy grail, try adding these foods to your diet for healthier, younger-looking skin. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of the best ways to get your vitamins. A single grapefruit contains more than 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. When consumed in the form of foods, vitamin C helps reverse skin damage caused by environmental pollutants and sun exposure. It stimulates the production of collagen, promoting new skin growth and wrinkle reduction. 2. Avocado. This delicious fruit is loaded with antioxidant carotenoids like alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, beta-cryptoxanthin, zeaxanthin, and lutein that hydrate skin and help to shield it from aging caused by sun exposure. Additionally, these fats help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins that also help to protect your skin from free radicals that lead to fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Avocados are also high in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that maintains moisture in the epidermal layer of your skin, helping it stay soft and hydrated. 3. Carrots. Carrots and sweet potatoes have beta-carotene, a natural sun protectant, and are rich in vitamin A, which restores damaged collagen. Think of carrots as your very own wonder wands, good for the eyes and good for clearing up breakouts. No magic here, though, just plenty of beta-carotene and vitamin A. 4. Salmon. In addition to being a potent source of anti-inflammatory omega-3s, salmon and other oily fish such as sardines and anchovies contain high amounts of a compound called dimethylaminoethanol, DMAE. DMAE protects the skin by strengthening cell membranes and guarding against the deterioration that causes premature aging. The nutrient also decreases the production of arachidonic acid, which causes sagging skin and the formation of wrinkles. It also works alongside B vitamins to help increase levels of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter which makes your muscles contract under the skin, which helps keep your face looking toned. 5. Dark chocolate. Oh yeah. You can still eat your chocolate, just make sure it's the dark variety. The antioxidants in dark chocolate, called flavonols, promote smoother and provide stronger resistance to UV rays, helping to decrease damage from sun exposure. Dark chocolate is also a good source of probiotics, which help to balance your digestive tract and reduce inflammation. 6. Eggs. Egg yolks are rich in vitamins essential for healthy cell function as well as containing biotin, a B vitamin known as the beauty vitamin. While it's more commonly associated with healthy hair and fingernails, it's been proven to help protect skin from rashes, dryness, and acne. Eggs also contain choline and lutein, two vital nutrients that are essential to skin health. Choline builds up fatty portions of the cell membranes that produce healthy, smooth skin. Lutein is an antioxidant that prevents skin damage and promotes skin elasticity. 7. Oranges. Oranges are one of the most well-known food sources of vitamin C, and they're one of the best fruits for glowing skin, too. Any citrus fruits to get your vitamin C on, so if you're more of a lemon, lime, or grapefruit person, that's a-okay, too. This powerful antioxidant has been shown to protect the skin from oxidative stress, including UV damage to the skin. Stimulates the formation of the skin barrier, improves skin hydration, and improves wound healing.